Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm on today to do my sinking funds, and you know that I use a dice for my sinking funds. So I'm going to decide what color dice I'm going to use. I think I will use a purple today. And I do have 6 categories that I usually stuff. It's Archie, well-being, hair, labour, hobbies and going out. Those are the 6 categories, and whatever number the dice rolls on between 1 and 6, then I will stuff the envelope. So let's put that there for a minute. And it's £140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40. I need to get some £5 notes. I must remember when I go to the post office to get some £5 notes. I will also take this out. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, let's start. 3, that's hair. And I will stuff £5 in hair. Actually, let me take out that, put that in there, and stuff that with the £5. Good. Right. And we'll just continue. Number 2, that is well-being. So I will stuff £5 into well-being. 4 is labour. £5 in for labour. 5, that's hobbies. Okay, put £5 into hobbies. And 5 again for hobbies. Right, let's go again. Come on. 6, that's going out. Going out. Right. That's 5. 5 is hobbies. So let's take that out. That there. 5 for hobbies. 5 again. Wow, that's hobbies. 1, we've got Archie. Good. I need to build up his tab for his medication. So we got 5 for Archie, and I can change that now. 5, 10, 15, 20. Put that in. Right. 4, we've got labour. Got some home improvements that I want to get done, so I'm not quite sure which is my priority at the moment. I think Archie's medication will be my priority to get filled. 3, that's hair. So what I will do, if I really need to take some money out of one envelope and put it into another, I will be happy to do that. 5, that's hobbies. And all this money is definitely not going on hobbies, I can assure you, because I'm really trying to do a no spend for next month, which is April. I have spent a couple of times this month already. We're only in what day is it today? 6 going out. What's today's date? It's the 6th today. So I may need to do a bit more shopping for this month, but definitely for April I will be on a no spend too. That's well-being. One Archie, great. Yeah, I've been heard. I've been heard. Yeah. 4, that is Labour. Let's see if we can change up some of this. So we've got 1, 2. Okay, did I put that money in? Did I put that fiver in? If I haven't, I'll check back with the video and I will put it in. 3, that is hair. So I definitely have to remember to put, right, I'll put that in first of all, the fiver, and then I can change up some. 5, 10, 15, 20. Good. Yeah, I must remember when I go to the post office to get some 5s. 4, we've got Labour. Labour's doing very well. Anyway, how have you been keeping? I hope well. I've just been, you know, getting on with things and giving thanks all the same. 5, that's hobbies. Now hobbies are for arts and craft supplies and any budgeting supplies that I need. That's what hobbies are for right now. 5 again, hobbies. Wow. Okay. So we've got 1, that's Archie. Good. Good. I'm glad for that. 5, hobbies. Is that so? Let's see if I've got 20 here. Yes, I have got £20 here that I can change. 5, 10, 15, 20. Lovely. That's great progress. Really good progress. I'm so pleased. And can we change that up as well? We can change that up as well. Yeah. 3, that is hair. Six, going out. Lovely. 4, that is Labour. 5, hobbies. Okay. 4, that is Labour. And 1 more. Let's see how we get on with that. 1, Archie. Great. I'm happy with that. So that is all done for another week. I will be checking when I'm editing the video to see if I have missed a fiver somewhere, and I will fix that. But I'm so glad, making real progress for this brand new year here, And no matter how little you have, save it, put it away. Once all your bills are paid and all your finances are taken care of, whatever you have left over, it's such a good idea to just save it and forget about it. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and I will see you back soon. Bye for now.